Today, we're tackling a big one, managing the complexity of modern AI infrastructure.
So, let's get right to it. Does managing your AI feel like you're completely in the dark? These days, the AI factory is this huge, complicated, distributed thing.
I mean, it's sprawled out everywhere. Data centers, the edge, even multiple clouds.
And you've got LLMs, GPU clusters, storage, networks, the whole shebang working together.
Here's the problem. Your old monitoring tools just weren't built for this. They can't keep up.
And this leads to some big headaches, costly blind spots, and performance that's all over the place.
Which means you're just burning through resources, and your AI isn't even running at peak performance.
But what if you could just turn on the lights and see everything clearly?
Well, that's where Vertana's AIFO platform comes in. That's AI Factory Observability.
It's a single platform that gives you real-time insight into your entire AI stack.
So how does it actually work? First up, let's look at GPU cluster monitoring. AIFO keeps an eye on everything: utilization, temperature, power draw, even error rates. The works.
So you can cut down on idle GPU time and, stop things from overheating.
Okay, next up, getting a handle on your models with something called token observability.
This lets you track token usage, spot bottlenecks, and actually see your billing amounts.
It helps you find root causes fast, connecting resource issues directly to model slowdowns.
But what are the actual results? Let's look at the real-world numbers.
One financial services company cut their idle GPU time by a whopping 40%. And get this, a healthcare provider fixed problems 60% faster using its insights. Another AI lab even managed to cut its GPU power usage by 15%. That's huge.
So why Vertana? You get full-stack visibility, predictive analytics, and it covers any setup.
All of this really brings us to one final very important question for you.
With AIFO, you're not just guessing anymore. You get clarity, control, and real confidence.